How to use Keydiy MLB keys with Xhorse VVDI MLB Tool. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted pit stop for everything automotive diagnostics, key programming, and tool mastery. Before we roll into the action, a quick but important note. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Every image, clip, and mention belongs to its rightful owner, and everything we show here is intended for learning and professional use only. Always follow your local laws and manufacturer guidelines when working on vehicles. Now here's a question that's been buzzing in the automotive locksmith community. With the Xhorse MLB Keydiy XSMA41EN out of stock for quite some time, is there any reliable alternative you can use and still program perfectly with your VVDI MLB tool? Stick around till the end of this video because we're not only answering that question, but also revealing some insider tips to save you both money and frustration. Let's start with a quick breakdown of the current situation. Xhorse originally released three main MLB key types: the Audi XSMA41EN, the Audi A8 XSMA81EN, and the Porsche XSMPS1EN. However, right now, all of these Xhorse MLB keys are facing a global shortage. Many technicians are unable to source them, and that's created a lot of confusion and downtime in workshops. So what's the fix? Here's where Keydiy steps in as a solid alternative. The Keydiy MLB26 remote can replace the missing XSMA41EN key and works smoothly with the Xhorse VVDI MLB tool. The best part? You don't even need the Keydiy tool to use it. That's right. You can directly add and pre-program the Keydiy MLB26 key with your VVDI MLB tool without any extra hardware. Now, Keydiy has launched 4 different types of MLB remotes, each designed to mirror popular OEM styles. The MLB26 resembles the Audi key, MLB08 mimics the Audi A8 design, MLB19 takes after the Porsche style, and MLB65 carries the VW Touareg look. All of these are genuine Keydiy OEM solutions built on a 44-pin configuration, which means they can be used with most programming tools, except for the Keydiy Z series, as Keydiy Z locks its device to work exclusively with its own remotes. The advantage here is not just compatibility. Keydiy remotes are generally much easier to find in stock and come a lower price point than the official Xhorse MLB keys. This gives you a cost-effective and practical solution without compromising quality or reliability. And yes, these Keydiy MLB keys work perfectly fine with the VVDI MLB tool. But remember, you cannot use VVDI MLB keys with the Keydiy tool. They are not cross-compatible that way. So, how do you actually use these Keydiy MLB keys with your VVDI MLB tool? The process is surprisingly simple once you know the steps. First, open your VVDI MLB software and head into the Special option. Here, you'll need to assign a new random ID number to your Keydiy MLB key or remote. Think of this as giving the key its digital identity. Once the new ID number is set, you can proceed to pre-programming. The VVDI tool will take 200 points from your account, and after that, you can go ahead and program the Keydiy remote as usual. Once programmed, simply learn it on the car, and that's it. Your replacement key is ready to go. A lot of users have also experimented with aftermarket OEM keys available on marketplaces like AliExpress. Some of these keys can indeed be detected by the VVDI MLB tool and even display their key ID. But here's a word of caution: results vary widely. In some cases, the key worked fine initially but stopped functioning after a few months. Others didn't work at all. So while these aftermarket options might look tempting, the reliability is inconsistent at best. If you want stable, long-term performance, Keydiy's MLB lineup is still the smarter and safer bet. This whole situation really highlights why flexibility in key programming tools matters so much. When one brand faces shortages, having a cross-compatible, affordable option like Keydiy keeps your business running and your customers happy. Plus, with Keydiy's OEM-level remotes, you're not sacrificing build quality. You're just gaining more options and saving time. So, going back to our original question, Can you replace the missing Xhorse XSMA41EN key with a Keydiy MLB alternative and still program it with your VVDI MLB tool? The answer is a confident yes. The Keydiy MLB26 does the job perfectly. You just need to assign a random ID, pre-program it, and learn on the car. Simple, affordable, and effective. From my experience, it's a great solution for workshops struggling with stock shortages. Keydiy's remotes are reliable, easy to use, and well supported across multiple programming platforms. As long as you follow the correct ID setup procedure, the VVDI MLB tool will recognize and program them without any issue. But what's your take on this shortage problem? Have you tried Keydiy's MLB keys? Or do you have your own go-to workaround? I'd love to hear your thoughts and field experiences in the comments. Before you go, here's a quick fun fact. Did you know that the MLB protocol used in modern keys actually stands for modular lock body? It's a communication system that allows faster, more secure encryption between the key and the vehicle's immobilizer system. Pretty cool, right? So, if you found this video helpful, let's set ourselves a challenge. 10,000 likes, 1,000 comments, and let's get this video hyped up across the automotive community. Every like and comment boosts our visibility and helps more technicians discover reliable solutions like this. Don't forget to subscribe to Baabji Motors for more hands-on guides, diagnostics tips, and key programming tutorials. Your support keeps this community growing stronger every day. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and, as always, happy diagnosing.